Hi guys, this is Arushi and welcome to my channel. So this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform which connects influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. Today I'm here to share a very easy eye makeup look. That's something which is really trending these days, and I used to initially feel that okay, it's something done with like various pro products and things like that, but it's something really easy to achieve. It's something you can achieve with products that you already have at home. It's something that we use on a daily basis. So keep watching. We're done with the skin, the blush on, the highlighter. Let's move on to the eyes. So first we are going to begin with applying an eye primer. Now that my eyes are prepped, let me just show you what you need. I will be just using two products. One is this Colorbar Take Me As I Am lip color, which is in peachy pink, and one is this lip balm by Baby Lips. Yes, you're right, it's just a lip balm. That's what you're going to need for your eyes. And this is in Pink Lolita. Both of these are available in Foxy. Apply this. I'm going to be using these two flat brushes. Remember, you need a pinch of color, so you have to apply very little harm. Just dab it like this on your eyelids. That's it. Take this flat brush and just blend it out. So once you have done that, the next step is to apply the for that extra shine. Make sure that you don't rub it, you just dab it. Just take any blending brush. So I'm using this particular shade from the Huda Beauty warm-up sessions. Now what you're going to do is take this pencil brush and just to complete the look. Then take any highlighter, then apply it on your inner corner. And also here. So I hope you like this video. Both the products that I used are available on Foxy, and do share your views on the video and please be safe. Bye bye.